In the city of Tomorrowville, where technology was at its zenith, there lived a woman named Sarah. Sarah was an architect known for her creative designs and meticulous attention to detail. Her reputation was built on her unique ability to blend the artistic with the practical, creating awe-inspiring structures. One day, Sarah heard about a new AI software called Architect X that promised to revolutionize architectural design. Intrigued, she decided to give it a try. She fed Architect X with her project specifications and waited for the design suggestions. To her surprise, Architect X quickly generated a stunning blueprint that incorporated innovative features and efficient use of space. Sarah was impressed but felt a twinge of unease. She knew that while the AI could enhance her work, it lacked the ability to understand the emotional impact of her designs on people's lives. Instead of relying solely on the AI's recommendations, Sarah used it as a tool to refine her own creative vision. She added personal touches and fine-tuned the design to ensure it not only met the project's requirements but also resonated with the human experience. When the project was completed, it received accolades for its beauty and functionality. People marveled at how Sarah had once again captured the essence of art and architecture. In a public speech, Sarah shared her experience, saying, "AI can augment our capabilities, but it should never replace the human touch, empathy, and judgment that are essential in creating designs that truly enrich our lives." The story of Sarah and Architect X illustrates that AI can be a powerful tool to enhance human capabilities, but it should always be guided by human judgment and responsibility. It highlights the importance of striking a balance between technology and the human touch, ensuring that our creations continue to reflect our values and emotions.